Hello again everyone, and welcome back to a new tutorial and video. I hope you're doing great. Today with another triangle tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this table runner, solid granny square table runner. And this is made of 14 rows, and it's for a side table. So it is a small project made of 14 rows. You can make your own bigger or smaller depending on your liking and the purpose of it. It's very easy tutorial, straightforward, repetitive row, and you just need basic knowledge of double crochet, and I will take you step by step on how to make it. So without further ado, we'll get started. So for this project, I'm using medium acrylic worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. We'll start with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make 2 double crochet in the first chain from the hook. So in the 4th chain from the hook, I'm gonna chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the same chain. Chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the same chain. I'm gonna chain 2 and join to the initial chain with a slip stitch. First row complete. Now on to the next row. I'm gonna chain 3. So this will be considered as a double crochet for the corner ones, which is 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Now in the next stitch I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch 1 double crochet. In the corner 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, all in the corner. In the next stitch 1 double crochet. In the next stitch 1 double crochet. In the next corner 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. In the next stitch 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch 1 double crochet. And here in my last corner, like I said in the beginning, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and join to the initial chain 3, which is considered a double crochet as well. So this is the first row completed. We'll continue for a total of 14 rows, and I'm going to show you how to continue to the next row and onwards. It's just a repetitive row of what we did. So chain 3, 1 double crochet in the next chain stitch and every stitch till the corner. Now in the corner 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, one double crochet in every stitch, in the corner again 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and a double crochet in every stitch. Again one more, and in the corner same thing, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and here in the stitch of the chain 3 1 double crochet and join to the top chain 3. This is how it looks so far. So if your work is protruding after a few rows, don't worry, it'll get flat once you're done. You can either block it or you can just put something on top of it which will make it flat. But don't you worry, the work is still right if you follow the steps I showed you. So this is the only thing you need to repeat throughout the work. Like in the corners, it's always 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and 1 double crochet in every stitch on the sides. That's it. That's all you need to do for this solid granny square table runner. I hope the tutorial is easy and clear. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.